Think about going into a moist greenhouse and how much moisture there is in a greenhouse. So the atmosphere, as it warms, will be able to hold more moisture. What that will do is that will not only increase rainfall, it will also increase evaporation as you're feeding that moisture. And as a result, what's going to happen is that the dry places are going to get drier. And in fact, recent studies have shown that by the middle of the century, most places will become drier because of the evaporative demand of the atmosphere. At the same time, because there's more moisture in the atmosphere, when it rains, it's going to rain harder. So the amount of rain that you might expect to have in a 3-day period may happen in a 1-day period, and that will increase the potential for droughts and the consequences. That will increase the potential for floods and the consequences that floods bring. And we are familiar with that in Seattle. We know that in the winter, the air is much drier than it is in the summer. And if you go a place like Florida, you know that the air is very moist. And that partly is due to the warmth of the air. It's also due to the fact that the atmosphere, the air that's getting to the eastern seaboard in the summer has come all the way across the continental US and has drawn a lot of moisture out of the soil by the time it gets there.